Have you ever prayed to Allah for something, and yet she is not fulfilled? Have you ever felt that? Allah is not listening to your prayers. You have been patient, read prayers regularly, praying at night, but still not found that thing, what you have been desperately waiting for. But there is a truth that we often do not understand. Allah's delay is not denied. Often this is actually a great blessing. Why do we tend to be in a hurry? It is human nature to want everything right away. We want our prayer to be today and accepted tomorrow. If we want a job, it's fine. We want to be found right away. If we want success, then we want it to come right away. If we want a relationship, let's have it. We want it fixed right away. But God's system is different. The Quran reminds us that man often asks for something that may be harmful to him. We have limited knowledge, but God knows everything. Why does Allah delay? Sometimes Allah stops something because He is protecting you from any harm. The thing you are asking for may be she's not good for you. It is possible that the job would take you away from religion. It's possible that relationship would have brought suffering in your life instead of peace. But since we only see today, we understand that we have been deprived, while in reality, Allah is saving us. Allah is preparing you for something better. Sometimes we have to be ready for a blessing if success is found soon. So maybe we can't handle it. That's why Allah leads us through trials, so that our faith, patience, and character will be strengthened when the right time comes, so that blessing is found like this, which is even more than we expected. Allah wants you to come closer to Him. Ever consider when man gets everything, so he often forgets Allah. But when prayer is accepted late, so a person prays more namaz, prays more and more remembers Allah. That is, that delay makes the relationship between you and Allah stronger. What does history teach us? Even in Islamic history we find this lesson. Many prophets prayed for years, but the answer was not immediate. But when Allah gives, so that thing came at exactly the right time. It teaches us that God's timing is always perfect. Neither does He hurry, nor does He linger. He just gives at the right time. What to do when there is a delay in prayer? When your prayer is delayed, so do three things. Be patient. Patience is not weakness, it's the strength of faith. Put your trust in God. If Allah has put a prayer in your heart, so He wouldn't waste it. Keep praying. Prayer is never wasted, according to the Islamic teachings. Every prayer is answered in three ways. Either that thing gets it, or any trouble is averted, or His reward in the hereafter. That is, prayer is never lost. The wisdom hidden in the delay of Allah. We often think that if our prayer is answered immediately, so our life will be better. But sometimes Allah does not give us that thing when we want it, rather gives this time when we need it the most. Because Allah doesn't just see our desires, He also sees our future. He knows what time all the best to you. That's why sometimes Allah makes you wait, so that when you get the item, so let Him really change your life. The moment when you will understand. Often there is a moment in life when a person looks back, and then he realizes that if my prayer was accepted immediately, so maybe my life wouldn't be that much better today. Sometimes what we consider a failure, she is actually the protection of Allah, and what we consider a delay, she actually happens to be Allah's best planning. Allah's plan is always better. Man makes plan, but Allah's plan is always perfect. We only see one door closing, but Allah for us is a much better door opener. That's why the beauty of a believer is that he says in every situation, Allah knows best. When happiness is found, so thanks. When the trial came, so patience. And when there is delay, so trust. Perhaps at this time you in your life, waiting for something like that, for which you have prayed so much. Maybe he was successful, maybe that relationship, maybe he's comfortable, and maybe you feel that Allah is late. But remember, God is never late. They just live. Your life is making a better story. If your prayer is not fulfilled today, so don't despair, because Allah will surely do one of three things. Either He will give you that thing what you are praying for, or He will give you something even better, or He will save you from such a difficulty which you have no idea. That's why, remember, Allah's delay, He actually has mercy. And when He gives you, so He doesn't just give you, He surprises you.